retractable tray for clothes is a convenient and space-saving solution for organizing and drying garments. These trays can be easily pulled out when needed and retracted back into a cabinet when not in use. A hanging trash can is a space-saving solution designed to attach to cabinets, doors, or walls. Ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, or workspaces, these trash cans keep the floor clear and provide easy access for disposing of waste, particularly useful in small or cluttered areas. A hanging shoe rack is designed to keep footwear organized and easily accessible. Typically mounted on the back of a door or inside a closet, these racks can also use to hold multiple items in the kitchen. A mop with towel suction is an innovative cleaning tool that combines the absorbency of a towel with the convenience of a mop. This design allows the mop to effectively pick up and trap dust, dirt, and liquids, providing a thorough clean for floors. It ensures that the towel stays securely attached, preventing it from slipping during